Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. In today's video, guys, we're working here on the Ford Fiesta MK7 generation from 2008 to 2017. We'll show you guys how to remove or replace the screen right here. Many videos coming on this vehicle, more than 200 videos. We'll be taking apart the whole Fiesta, so if you need anything, subscribe, let us know, we'll try to make it. So let's start on it now. So the first step will be to disconnect your battery, and it's important how you do that. When you disconnect the battery, you need to disconnect the negative cable first. Okay, this is the negative minus cable, and positive second. And why you do that? It's because if you don't disconnect the negative and you disconnect the positive and accidentally touch it to the body of the car, you still have connection and you can burn the computer or at least the fuse. So we're going to disconnect the negative and the positive after that as well. Make sure that they're not going to touch. If you think they do, make sure you put a glove or something underneath them. Okay, and let's proceed with the next step. So now what you need to do, you need to get a trim removal tool. Okay, let me grab this one, it's a little bit better. And right here you need to come, okay, this trim will have actually, okay, 4 clips. Okay, let me pull them out, still holding quite a bit here. So you have 3 clips on this side, 3 on the other side. Okay, so let me start on it now. You need to pop them open and then it slides towards the back of the vehicle. Okay, and that's how you remove it. Okay, just like that. So next, guys, in order to remove the screen right here, you need a Torx 25, and we'll have to remove 4 screws, and I already got them loose, and this is because I don't want to waste your time. Okay, one is here. The shorter the video, guys, the better for you, so you have more time to work on it and spend your personal time. Second one. Okay, third one right here. All the tools that we use will be in the description of the video. If you need anything, you can see what we use. Okay, and remove that one as well. Now, what we are doing next, you need to grab it, okay, and pull it up, okay, like that. And the cables I'm trying to show you the best I can. This one you press in, okay, and you pull it out. This is the USB connection. Now this cable right here, you need to press in on the middle tooth, okay. Right here, it will be a little bit shady, but okay. And once you press the middle tooth, you slide that thing out. When you slide it out, you get the screen out of the way. Ours is a 2015, so that's what it looks on the back side. Some of them might be different. Make sure you match your numbers, part numbers and all that stuff, but that's how you do it, guys. Thank you for watching. You put everything together in reverse order with 2 gear parts. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.